Unidentified miscreants killed a person belonging to Kom community after he was kidnapped from his home yesterday. Agitators block Imphal Ukhrul Road demanding the release of 5 village volunteers who were arrested by Special Commando. Local clubs announced total shutdown in areas under IMC Ward number 23. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches Prime Minister Vishwakarma scheme that aims to help traditional artisans and craftsmen. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Sunday Primetime English Bulletin. I'm KANEL SHAMBANDURAM, bringing you the top stories and latest news at this hour. Now, the news in details. Body of 41-year-old Serto Thangthang Komt was found today at Imphal East District's Kuningtek after he was picked up by 3 unidentified miscreants yesterday from his residence in Ngaikandlong village of Imphal West District. According to police, Serto Thangthang Komt was found dead at around 6 a.m. today at the Kuningtek under Sagolmang police station. He reportedly had bullet injuries behind his ear. The body was taken to Jennings morgue for postmortem. It is yet to be ascertained as to why Serto Thangthang Komt was killed. Serto Thangthang Komt was kidnapped by 3 unidentified miscreants at around 10:15 a.m. yesterday from his residence. He originally hailed from Litan in Chandel district. Irate crowds thronged Purampad police station yesterday after Imphal Special Commando arrested 5 village volunteers. The incident took place at around 10 p.m. yesterday. As per information received by Impact News, people thronged the police station demanding the release of 5 Meitei village volunteers who were reportedly arrested by Special Commando from Kongba area. Scuffles were also erupted in the Kongba Yangpali Palace compound between the people and police, in which police and Rapid Action Force had to fire tear gas celled smoke bombed in order to disperse the crowd. People also threw stones and also fired slingshots in retaliation. The tussle continued even after midnight and few individuals also sustained injuries. On the other hand, identities of those who were arrested by Special Commando are not known yet. The agitation continued throughout the day as people launched indefinite blockade on Imphal Ukhrul Road over the arrests of 5 village volunteers from Imphal East District's Kongba by a Special Commando team of Manipur police last night. Agitators demanded unconditional release of the 5 individuals. As part of the road blockade, agitators residing along the Imphal Ukhrul Road come out and started blocking the road from Telepati to Lamlong this afternoon. The road blockade caused inconveniences to commuters. Speaking in this regard, one of the protesters narrated that amid the violence which broke out on May 3, several Meitei houses were set ablaze and many had lost their lives due to the failure of state force to protect people and properties. The protesters continued that youths from various places of Manipur are defending the peripheral areas as state forces alone could not face the war waged by cookies.
Habigre, ado condition amata yaudana thadopi on habida makoi hojugo yadre, ado hojiksu akoi pung ama bagi manung sideida akoi club mayam singse akoi decision lauraga akoi gi mahut silaga akoi gi secretary kene singbo singse loine SP ga wari sanari condition amata yaudana thadopi ona ado hek thadok la koda akoi gi lambi se khudak ta akoi hangdok jagani ado natri bhaudi akoi hariba lambi thingbugi khongjang je changchinjabani.
Meanwhile, the meeting for clubs and Maira Paibi groups in IMC Ward number 23 areas of Wangkai constituency was convened today at Eastern Education Club ground in Kurai Hongai in connection with the arrest of 5 village volunteers by police. The meeting resolved to call for total shutdown in all the places situated under IMC Ward number 23 starting from today until all 5 arrested individuals are released without any condition.
Hujik Powder Chap Saba Tangdangba, Manipur government gi Maikay Natraga Police ki Maikay de Chap Saba mu Fangdravanina, Aikoy Ngarang Faki Banupamachadu, Aikoy the Magda de Mamalam Yamba, Manipuri Mangi Maparing Actani, Makoy Mapunshi, Adi Mokoy Tungilambidu Kandea, the Vanina, Makoji Atubomatam the Tadok Biro, Tadok Fawadi, Aikoy Kongjang Janjanba, Hojare, Masigi Makatar Padadi, Jenims Tariba Hospital, Lambi Chisu, Okoi, 1 number 23, Wangay Kendri, the lady, 1 number 23, Mapum Sibagina, total shutdown of Tokjarani, total shutdown Jidakoi, essential gi Oiba, Mokoi Karakatama, Komtok Jaraga, Maduna Tabakariuma, Makalamata, Komtok Jaba, Lejero and Aikoi Manipurgi Praja, Mayam, that Mediagi Tonga, Equimayam, the Loktopseri.
Rajasthan Governor Kalraj Mishra gave assurance to RPI Athwale National Secretary Maheshwar Thaunajam that he will reprise present Manipur crisis to the centre and will urge for resolving the crisis. Maheshwar informed this after submitting a memorandum to the governor today at Raj Bhavan in Rajasthan. The memorandum highlighted facts on atrocities being committed by Chind Kuki narco-terrorists to the people of Manipur in the wake of conflicts prevailing in the state since the past more than 4 months. In connection with this, Maheshwar Thaunajam reiterated that he has been visiting different states of mainland India and had been interacting with various leaders and people there with an objective to let them know what is actually happening in Manipur. The young RPI leader informed that he will also visit Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow with the same intention. Speaking further, Maheshwar Thaunajam also stressed the need of all the political leaders in India to know the root causes of the Manipur unrest and brutalities of the armed cookies towards civilians. He maintained that leaders and people in New Delhi, Maharashtra and Rajasthan has assured to fight against Chind Kuki narco-terrorists.
Akoi Maitayda aduki matik otpiba lairiba Manipuri singsina aduki matik wariba kamaina Manipurda Chind Kuki narco terrorist illegal immigrants angzel aga kamaina Manipur thugaina bo honariba mayamse makoi su khangam thoi haiduna koi Rajasthan lakchaduna Rajasthan gi mipung khudimak unaduna mifam pangthoktuna amasung politically Rajasthan gi governor su unaduna akoi report bizarore aduga akoi gi honorable governor Mr. Kalraj Mishra na su thajab bibire madudi karino hai matamda center da su magi saitai su angamba Manipur Buhanagi Pibam the Santi Lainaba, Amasung, Manipur, who's a Toiba Todoxigi, Matanga, Mahaksu, Achawamiting, Jangagani, Rajasthana, support Togani, Hana Hibire.
All Manipur Petroleum Products Drivers Association has called off the steering wheeled down strike on National Highway number 37 Imphal Ziri Road. Movement of vehicles carrying petrol, diesel and LPG will resume from tomorrow along the Imphal Ziri Road. As a result of the strike, several trucks loaded with petrol, diesel and LPG were earlier stuck on National Highway number 37 Imphal Ziribam Road. Impact News Juribam correspondent inspected the National Highway number 37 stretch situated in Ziribam, during which it came to light that around 248 trucks loaded with petrol, diesel and LPG were found stranded along the highway. Our correspondent also reported that other vehicles loaded with petroleum products are soon likely to be proceed towards Juribam from Silchar. Speaking to Impact News, one of the driver has said that some of the stranded drivers have fallen sick as they have been stuck along the highway for so long. Alongside, they are also facing other inconveniences. It is worth mentioning that All Manipur Petroleum Products Drivers Association had called the steering wheel down strike over unidentified gunmen firing on oil tankers near the Assam Rifle Camp along Imphal Ziri Road near Longmai Bazaar, None district some days ago.
Thank you, Bullet. Ladies, we mangani tarung news jala. Ladies, we jida kudong chada ba ayagati diverging anaba yausle. We na sila parina adagi bathroom toilet ki matang na cho. Dan awa ba jangai. Koi bathroom toilet chading matamda lagi lupa kun mata kun sa tinga bara tonga salaga koi. Dan bathroom toilet chadai. Koi jala bi ja police TV ba. Koi ja aropi tare ba mayam dina. Jang diverging news checking from TV kaya koi lambi dapan baje kharap pakata.
Delhi Meitei Coordinating Committee carried out a public meeting and listened to the cries of the Meira Paibi today at the Jantar Mantar in New Delhi. A large number of Meitei along with people in Delhi attended the meeting. During the meeting, people raised slogans like "Who is accountable for the violence in Manipur?", "Withdraw Assam rifle from Manipur" and "Revoke suspension of operation in Manipur." Combined security forces seized huge catch of weapons from various parts of Churachandpur and Thoubal district. According to Impact News sources, a combined team of Army, Assam Rifles, CAPF and Manipur Police recovered 14 pipe-bombed launchers, one single-barrel gun and other weapons while conducting search operation at Khodang village in Churachandpur district. On the other hand, the combined team of Assam Rifle and Thoubal Police seized 19mm carbine along with various other weapons during search operation at Thoubal district, Kwarok Marin. All India Trade Union Congress Imphal City District Committee today organized a one-day public discourse on territorial integrity of Manipur and present crisis at Thangmaiban Yumnam Laikai Community Hall. Speaking on the event, AITUC Manipur Secretary Advocate K.H. Samungo said that the present crisis in Manipur is a war waged by Chinkuki communities against Meiteis in order to form their homeland by wiping out all the other communities of the state. He said Lamyan Bahijam Irawat month has been observing every year in September. In view of the prevailing unrest, the public discourse was held as part of the observance. During the event, Manipur Human Rights Commission Acting Chairperson Khaidem Mani, Kiran Indrembam and Thoubal former Session Judge A. Nathaneshwari spoke on various topics.
Cookie Maitei Kanaragadi, no overnight or within 2 or 3 days, it can be resolved. But it's not a mere communal riot. It's a crisis created by the Chinkuki militants influx from Myanmar or Burma. Kuki nataba fruit mayam jingje mashi Manipur dagi loina muthalake aduga Kuki Chinkuki go ba tongan ba magi homle lama tawna bagi poni haina haibudo adu mayek khengminaji.
A press note informed that Uttra Sanglin, Sana Konung and Umanglai Kanba Apunbalub Ukal today held a meeting to discuss about selection of Manipuri Kokyet as part of martial uniform for Parliament. In the meeting, it was agreed that Ukal and Uttra Sanglin will only agree when Parliamentary Affairs Ministry clarify as to which Kokyet out of the various Kokyets available in the state has been selected as uniform for Parliament marshals, considering some Kokyets have religious and cultural significance and considering its appropriateness. Women Wing Secretary of United Protection Committee Nambold L. Pramila warns of different types of agitation if the government failed to give positive responses to the demand raised by people of 50 villages in Nambold, Konthaujam, Oinam, Nauria Pakhang Lakpa and Wangoi Assembly constituency regarding the ongoing issue in Manipur. Speaking to media at UPC office premises in Nambold, Pramila said that ongoing protest of UPC will be held only from 5 p.m. till 5 a.m. Also, a public relay and other agitations will be carried out soon.
State government amadi center da thazaba thamaktabanina United Protection Committee Nambolna Sathariba Kutang Sara Kutami Pamasi Hosiki Oina Warabasuana Nasi Pawada Kul Nifuga Manga Yankai Asumaina Taudana 24/7 Nasi Makata Sathazabasi Ayang Dagi Koi Pumanga Dagina Ayuki Pumanga Pawasi Makata Sathagani Aduakan akan Mapunjang Kayamusu Pai Are Palekana Sathagani As
part of the continuous agitation launched by United Protection Committee Nambold on August 13th demanding amicable solutions to the crisis prevailing in Manipur, a sit-in was staged today at Nambold Kaithal Temporary Market. Kabo Wakching Apunba Maira Paibi Lup, Kakiai Apunba Maira Paibi Lupt, Nambold Makha, Kaitheld Vendor. A. Nambol Sabal Laikai Maira Paibi Lupt jointly took out the agitation, which started at 5 a.m. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on the launch of Prime Minister Vishwakarma scheme by Prime Minister Narendra Modi today. We will be back with details after the break. Until then, keep watching Impact News.
Khanghanjaba Impact TV ki LCO singi mafamda khanghanjari madudi LCO singna thagi thifam thokpa bill tang tara manga fawgi manungda thidokpiyu karigumba thidokpidaba thoklabadi mathangi numet tang tara taruktagi adomgi SMS portal block tawbaga loinana subscriber khudingmak basic package ta ondo jaragani karigumba makha tana tang kun fawda thagi bill thidokpidrabadi thangnaba tang kun mathoidagi signal disconnect tawjaragani disconnect tawkraba LCO singna atonba bill sing clear tawraba matungda signal connect tawjagani khanghanjariba manager Impact TV.
Welcome back. After break, you're watching Sunday Primetime English Bulletin. Moving on with our bulletin, Prime Minister Narendra Modi today launched Prime Minister Vishwakarma scheme for traditional artisan and craftsmen. The scheme not only aims to help artisan craft people financially, but also aims to keep the age-old tradition, culture and distinct heritage alive. Prospective beneficiaries will be enrolled for free at common service facilities via biometric-based. Besides Prime Minister Vishwakarma portal, a total of rupees 13,000 crore has been approved for the scheme. Chief Minister Nongthwan Biren, Union Minister of State for Home Nityanand Rai attended the launch program of Prime Minister Vishwakarma scheme, which was organized by Trade, Commerce and Industry Department of Manipur government at Sangai Hold of Hotel Imphal today. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Nongthwan Biren said the scheme will benefit those local artisans and craftsmen through its collateral free loan of rupees 1 lakh and rupees 2 lakh provided at a concessional 5% interest with interest subvention cap of 8% to be paid by MSME Ministry. The scheme will also provide training stipend of rupees 500 per day and rupees 15,000 incentive for toolkit. Local artisans and craftsmen along with government officials and MLAs attended the launch program.
탕 사바 산하 수바 보는 주제리고 또 그래서 시리마야 무슨 것이만 꼭 얘기하는 뭐든지 뭐든지 서포트 오르는 게 아주 뭐 포셔가 마시데는 마시기 이 스팀이 막하는 스타트하고 पैसालो अखोगी आधार कार्ड करी इनरोल तौरबगी लेखाई जगह जगह कमन सर्विस सेंटर entry number start and they will be provided recognition and the support through ID card to give recognition and the support to the artisans and the crafts people of the country.
आप सब जानते हैं भाइयों बहनों की इस मणिपुर में सिर्फ की जो कला है वह यहाँ के लकड़ियों में बांसों में और धागों से जो बनकर विश्वविख्यात बनता है। आज मैं समझता हूँ कि इस पीएम विश्वकर्मा योजना से उसको और गति मिलेगी और तीव्र गति मिलेगी और मणिपुर के कोने कोने में जहाँ कारीगरी, जहाँ की योग्यता और हुनर है, उससे लोग रोजगार भी मिलेगा।
Vishwakarma Puja was also carried out in various places across Manipur. However, the festival celebration was subdued owing to the ongoing tense situation in Manipur and was reduced to only religious ceremony. A program to mark 50th Foundation Day of Mayai Lambi Gitmala Musical Center and 58th Foundation Day of Mayang Imphal Dramatic Union was organized today at MIDU office in Mayang Imphal Bazaar. People paid floral tribute to departed artisans on the occasion, which was followed by distribution of appreciations and participation certificate to winners and participants of 9th Festival of Folk Narrative Art and Kangla Theatre Marathon 2023 and 15th day-long theatre training workshop. Director of Rup Mahal Theatre, Loitongbam Vida Mohan, President of Mayai Lambi Gitmala Musical Center, Chongthamt Ashokumar, Assistant Director of Mayang Imphal Dramatic Union, Koirom Kamila, were among the eminent persons who graced the function. The American Oncology Institute at Babina Specialty Hospital and the College of Nursing jointly organize a continuing medical education event for nursing students on the topic Center, Cancer Screening, Early Detection and Treatment Modalities. Senior Consultant Radiation Oncology Dr. Dhaneshwar Sharma spoke about the importance of cancer screening, early detection and about treatment facilities. Director of American Oncology Institute, Babina Specialties, Manash Majumdar announced that patients with Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana and CMHT cards can avail the PET-ST scan test for free in the hospital. World Patients Day was observed today on the theme Engaging Patients for Patient Safety at DRPR Auditorium in Nitepa, Chutek. The program was organized by State Quality Assurance Unit SHS, National Health Mission and Directorate of Health Services, Manipur. Speaking on the occasion, Additional Director PH of Directorate of Health Services, Manipur, Dr. Y. Gopal Krishna emphasized on the importance of World Patients Day and outlined the responsibilities of all in ensuring safety of patients.
TBC malaria HIV extend masigi patient safety day sina khangalibadi sinataba akhoi medical error mayam sing sina yamna significant oina wangba masi mayam sing the awareness iraganda masi khangminaraganda kamaina masi handaba yabage haibadu akhoi mayam khangmina sena tawni.
As part of a Swachhata Hi Seva campaign, Lilong Imphal West Municipal Council today organized a public rally from the Lilong Chajing Jingkong Eco Park till Lilong Imphal West Municipal Council's office. The public rally carried the message of personal hygiene and about keeping the surrounding environment clean. Lilong Imphal West Municipal Council's chairperson Eld Lalmani flagged off the rally. Later, a public meeting was also held near the Municipal Council office in Lilong, Chajing. Actress Bala Hijam, the council chairperson Lamabam Lalmani, councillors and locals participated in the event, which was held on the theme Green Earth. Speaking on the occasion, Councillor Maibam Joy Kumar said that Swachhata Hi Seva campaign was started to realize the dream of Mahatma Gandhi on keeping everyone healthy and maintaining cleanliness on roads, schools, colleges, temples, government offices and houses. He also encouraged the local to maintain cleanliness.
भारत निंखा तमना मतुंगदा महात्मा गांधी ना हुदोक्तिरंबा अखोई स्वच्छ भारत मिशन सिगी मखादा भारत सिदा लेदिबा जाति खुदिमक नागरिक खुदिमक असा मबु फना थंबा तेंजंग काइदंग दबा भारत बासे मुहनबा हाइबे सिंग पांदमदा अदुगुंबा मागी वखलोल अदु भारत निंग तमना मतुंगदा मदि संविधान दा हापतना कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन दा हापतना मदुगी इंप्लीमेंट तवोना मथंग मथंग टी प्रोग्राम सिंग सि समथरपनी हाइबा प्रोग्राम सिंग सि खोगी भारत के इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ना सेंबदा यावग्रबा परिंग नाइना चथरकबा सरकार अमा लेरगसु अमा नौ सिलगसु अमा मुक लागसु अदुम परिंग नाइना चथरकबा अदुगो प्रोग्राम अमनी लमदम से लेरबा एकाई लेरबा म्युनिसिपल कोलिबा जगह खुदिमक लेरबा मी म्यामदा मेसेज पीबोयना ngasigi जन स्वास्थ्य लीग सीजन 2 खै नेरो इफाल वेस्ट किना ग्रीन आर्ट हाइन मिंग थोलगा थौरम से पांथोक सबनी
State-level Nupilal Ningsing Lamjil's organizing committee today condoled the sudden demise of Laishramt Ongbi Jamuna Devi, who had served as organizing secretary of state-level Nupilal Ningsing Lamjil Singjumai. Directorate of University and Higher Education notifies regarding the Chief Minister's College Students Rehabilitation Scheme 2023 and informed that 938 students of directly affected categories and 157 students of inter-college transfer categories have been approved for the scheme. The list of selected students is available on www.highereducationmanipur.gov.in. Nongmai Handloom and Handicraft Cooperative Society Limited conducted day-long awareness program on welfare of handloomed weavers today at the Kongpal Mamang Sabalaikai, Imphal East. Former top Nauria Zilla Parishad Ketri Tamfa, National Handloomed Development Corporation Regional Manager Yumnam Santi Kumar, National Small Scale Industry Corporation Retired Deputy Director Kundrakpamt Ibotombi and Manipur Apex Handloom and Handicraft Chairperson Ketrimayumt Indira graced the event. Speaking on the program, Society President KSH Siam stressed that weavers are instrumental in enhancing the state economy. He believed that the awareness program will benefit the weavers in various ways.
Imphal East and West Mapunga Koi Thobal District Labiriba, Mapunda, Manipur Naki Waipa Kogi Pisharoi Singi, Koida Ahin knowledge Amadi Puning Wakal Thogot by questions of a program. Paris Sarkar Manipur Saka, the Karam by Kogi Mokudong Sabasing to Lourga, the same Namakoi Mokoina, Suri Basin Humsing, the head Namakoi Semilon Sokot Payaga again. Lunana, Lanley Haragasutas and I Koi Iram them, Koi Labor, Manipur, Potok Sato sing as if Potok Tragadiam saying I Koi said Milo. Lagani Haga Adugumba, Tim do Asugumba one day awareness program Pangtok Zabani.
Lions Club of Imphal Central carried out tree plantation program at Telo Kangaching Park in the Telo village, Imphal East. The plantation program was organized on the theme to grow more plants to save the environment. Now the news from the world of sports. Indian cricket team clinched the Asia Cup title by beating Sri Lanka by 10 wickets. Electing to bat first, Sri Lanka made only 50 runs as they were bowled out in just 15.2 overs. Indian fast bowlers Mohammad Siraj picked up 6 wickets, while all-rounder Hardik Pandya picked up 3 wickets in the inning. In reply, India's openers Shubman Gill and Rohit Sharma chased down the target in just 6.1 overs, thus winning the match by 10 wickets and clinching the Asia Cup title for the 8th time. Indian fast bowler Mohammad Siraj was adjudged the man of the match for his 6th wicket haul. Manipur team participating in the Junior Girls National Football Championship Tier 1 at Bhubaneswar left Imphal today. The championship will be held under the aegis of All India Football Federation from September 20 to September 30. All Manipur Football Association President M. Ratan Kumar along with other members of the association were present at Bir Tikendrajit International Airport and wished the players well before they set off. Manipur team comprises 22 players including 3 goalkeepers, 8 defender and 3 forward players. The team's manager is Ayingbi Lukramd with Premjit Saraisam as coach, T. Ravi Kumar as team officials and A. Rita as physio. In Group B League match, Manipur and Maharashtra will lock horns on September 21. Manipur will play against New Delhi on September 23 and against Haryana on September 25.
अखोई टीम से जुलाई की तांग कुनमरी की प्रिपरेशन होरखिबनी फेस अहम थोकना अदुगा हौजिसे अखोई मणिपुर की हौजिक लुरब इरांग असिदा अखोई होय सेशन अंगांग चौरान अंगांग सेशन 30 मुक फुल्ली सेशन 30 फंगवे अदुगा होय हौजिक परफॉर्मेंस की उनदे अंगांग सिंग यामना हौजिक यामना फगले हाना लामदगी अदुगा हौजिक अखोइनसु असौबो यामना थाजबम लई हंतकी जूनियर कल सेमेस्टर अखोइ सुंगै सोइदना अखोइ मणिपुर टीम ना माय पाकनी हाइबा
अखोइ हंदक सी नेशनल चलीसी गाई अहुम नक सुरे हंदक चलीसीदसु अखोइ फजाना सानरके लम सिदा लै मणिपुर दा लैबा माय पा मयामनसु अखोइ साना चलीसी पुंग थगपिरो अदुगा अखोइ सरोइनसु अखोइ ताकपि मयाम अमा तंबि अदु सरोइना ताकपि तंबिबा मयामदु अखोइ आदा उथोकपा ngamba ओइजागे माय पांगनाबा कन्ना होनाजागे.
Well, that's all we have in this bulletin, but before we wind up, let's take a glimpse at the headlines once again. Unidentified miscreants killed a person belonging to Kom community after he was kidnapped from his home yesterday. Agitators block Imphal Ukhrul Road demanding the release of 5 village volunteers who were arrested by Special Commando. Local clubs announces total shutdown in area under IMC Vote number 23. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi launches Prime Minister Vishwakarma scheme that aims to help traditional artisans and craftsmen. Thank you so much for being with us. Coming up next is Primetime Manipuri Bulletin. In the meantime, have a great evening and always stay safe.
Directorate of Education is Government of Manipur na lauduna pangthokhiba